Trinamool Congress MP Tapash Pal's rape and kill remark is yet to subside. A party legislator from the TMC has now talked about burning real human effigies. Addressing a meet organized by the Trinamool affiliated Progressive Doctors Association, its president and legislator Nirmal Majhi wondered if people would burn real human effigies of doctors who earlier burnt dummies of the chief minister after 3 of their colleagues were suspended. Listen in to what Majhi said.
5 দিন কলকাতার বাড়িতে কাটাবে, শহর কলকাতা এসে এই জিনিস বাংলার মানুষ, বাংলার 9.5 কোটি মানুষ এই জিনিস বরদাস্ত করবে না। তারা কুসংস্কারিকা পাওয়াতে পারেন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, কিন্তু মানুষ যখন স্বাস্থ্য পরিষেবা না পেয়ে প্রিন্সিপালকে যখন পাবে না, আর সেই প্রিন্সিপালের তকমা দিয়ে কলকাতায় প্র্যাকটিস করা, কলকাতায় চেম্বারে সব পেশেন্টদের টাকা নেওয়া, তারা যখন মানুষের খপ্পরে করবে না, আমি জানি না তাদের কুসংস্কারিকা করবে না, তাদের জ্যান্ত-মুক্তরিকা করে আমার জানা নেই।
Majhi's comments come a month after TMC MP Tapash Pal threatened to kill opposition CPM worker and have their women raped if a single ruling party worker was attacked. The comment triggered an outrage, forcing him to tender an unconditional apology. Now Majhi's comments have drawn flack from opposition leaders who accuse the TMC of pursuing politics of vengeance and question the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's silence.
Dr. Nirmal Majhi has violated the basic ethics that are enshrined in the declaration of the Medical Council, and that is the declaration clearly states that I will treat my colleagues with all respect and dignity, and his utterances against the doctors in North Bengal are most unfortunate and unwanted.
I'd like to cut across at this point of time. My colleague Indrajit Kundu is on the phone line with us, getting us the very latest. Indro, one of the main reasons that the leaders from the TMC can go ahead and keep making these statements is primarily because they know that the party leadership will only go on and condone these incidents and no actual action will be taken.
Well, given that what we've seen in the recent past, given the string of things that has happened in the recent past, one can surely assume that the party is standing very firmly behind all these errant leaders. Remember, when Tapash Pal was caught making all those vitriolic statements, his unconditional apology seemed to be okay for the Trinamool Congress. And even Mamata Banerjee, coming out openly in support of her, Tapash Pal, said that she could do as much and there was no way that she could kill her MP. So coming from the party's supreme leader, one can only hope that these type of comments that are being made by several leaders of the Trinamool Congress, be it an MP or an MLA, there seems to be no end to it. And it's a clear message that has gone to the lower rung leaders of the Trinamool Congress, and that's the reason why it's no surprise that West Bengal today stopped.
Indro, what is the official comment coming in by the TMC at this point of time?
Well, we haven't heard from the TMC. We haven't got a reaction from the TMC. It will be interesting to see whether at all the Trinamool Congress will react, because as we have been discussing in the past, whenever such comments have been made, rather than being reprimanded, the party seems to be standing by its leadership.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Indrajit Kundu, getting us the very latest on this latest case emerging from West Bengal. Another leader from the Mamata Banerjee bandwagon coming out making statements extremely offensive, and as we speak, absolutely nothing being done by the party leadership, rather expected of it.